Hi, I'm Steven from Starfire Direct, and today we're going to be unboxing our rectangle Beton fire pit along with all of its accessories. The first thing I notice on our boxes, which is nice, it actually shows everything that this box will include, along with all of the dimensions, not only just the actual dimensions, but the shipping weight. So you'll see, obviously the box may feel heavier, but once you take everything out of the box, what the unit actually weighs. To start with, we're gonna focus on the fire pit itself. So we're gonna move all of these boxes off the fire pit and then start unboxing the fire pit. Keep in mind, when this is shipped, it will be strapped to a pallet. Now, if you order just the fire pit, you'll see the box here strapped to the pallet and wrapped. If you order any of our accessories, well, those will also be wrapped or strategically placed on the pallet as well. And our shipping includes free curbside delivery unless you have chosen to upgrade your shipping at the time of checkout or at the point of sale. Now, for this demonstration, it's just going to be myself going through unboxing the unit. However, a second man may not be a bad idea, as the unit is heavier than one man could do by themselves. I have a little assistance with my furniture dollies, so we're going to get into the unboxing now. So just at my first glance, I can see that it's very well packaged. And for this demonstration, I'm going to try to keep the packaging as clean as I can, because we're going to be reboxing this back up or even to be used as a floor model for our showroom. But just by looking at it right now, you can't see the fire pit yet, so it means it's really enclosed, well protected for shipping purposes. Now I'm about to take the main cover off of the unit. The first thing I notice is it has an owner's manual that's in a nice Ziploc bag with, it looks like, a repair pen, as well as the AAA battery for the spark ignition. Now again, for this demonstration, I'm going to try to keep the box intact or to be resealed as best as I can. But since I'm only one man, I'm going to have to cut down the sides of the box so that the box will basically open up and I'll be able to access the fire pit easily. Cut, I should be able to basically break down the wings of the box and the fire pit will be exposed. As we can see, it's very well protected, bubble wrap all the way around, as well as a thin layer of plastic wrap. Now for this next portion, it may be a little difficult with one person, so I'm going to basically skip this portion of the video, but what I'm going to attempt is, because it's on furniture dollies, I'm going to kind of wiggle the fire pit out of its base protection right there so I can get the cardboard out of the way and we can focus on the next stage of the unboxing. And we're back. So as you noticed, most of the box is gone. We still have the base layer of the box underneath the fire pit, just so you can see how that comes. You don't just have it sitting on very thin cardboard, it's on a very thick cardboard material that keeps it nice and secure. So now at this point, we have this nice thin layer of plastic wrap, and we're going to take that off, and then we'll take off the bubble wrap, and then we'll actually lift up the fire pit to show you everything that's underneath the unit itself. At this point, we're going to take off the bubble wrap. There's our beautiful Beton fire pit. Now at this point of our unboxing, I did think it was important to let our customers know that this fire pit along with the entire Beton series, actually has 3 different finish colors. This is our first color that was launched and has been very, very successful. It's called Natural Gray, but then we launched recently Graphite and White. And you can see that it goes really with any outdoor setting. Really, all 3 of these are very neutral colors, yet they are designed to really be the focal point of the patio space. And since we've launched the Graphite and White, we can't keep them on the shelves. So they're very, very popular. Customers love these finishes. And these finishes are actually available to order prior to purchasing the fire pit. So if you're not sure, if you want to see something where you can touch and feel it, these samples are available for purchase on our website. At this point of the unboxing, you may think to yourself, well, I have my owner's manual and these 2 accessories here, but where's my lava rock? Where's my cover? Where are the other parts or products that were included with this fire pit, as it said on the box? Well, let me show you where they are packaged within the actual fire pit. As you can see, we actually keep everything very, very efficient. So we have a natural gas conversion kit, we have our lava rock, we have a second box of lava rock, we have our fabric cover, we have a repair kit for future use as the fire pit naturally weathers as concrete does. And we even have the propane tank holder so that the propane tank that you're using, if you're using it on propane, doesn't rust your floor. Another thing too, these units do come ready for propane. However, as you just heard, these come with a natural gas conversion kit and can be converted to natural gas by a professional. So again, to reiterate, our Beton fire pit alone comes with everything you see here in this view. It comes with the fire pit itself, which has a CSA certified ignition, and it's ready for hookup to propane gas off of a 20-pound or a 5-gallon propane tank bottle. If you are on natural gas, it does include a full natural gas conversion kit so that you can do that safely. Of course, your installer will be installing that. If you ever need repairs on the unit, it does come with a repair kit for the specific color of the unit. It also has just for minor touch-ups you may need over time, a scratch or a scuff. It comes with a repair pen, as well as the battery for the initial spark button and the owner's manual. And then as you see here, this is the propane tank holder where the propane tank will sit. And if you don't get a propane tank cover, that's okay. It's not needed, but this allows you to rest the propane tank cover inside, and it also secures the base to the propane tank. Then of course you have a all-weather fabric cover so that when it's not in use, it can be protected. And then our 2 boxes of lava rock, or what we call media. So you'll actually be able to fill this burner